Hey everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. The next two episodes are about truth in social media. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. I apologize if I'm rubbing my eyes and stuff. My allergies are absolutely horrible today. It's bad. So quite a few of you have been asking me, Jeff, where's the rabbit? Why are you not taking it to shows? Why are you not taking it out and doing things with it? Well, I can't. I've been having some significant problems with drivability. And one of the problems I've been having is the boost. It just falls off at 3,500 and then seems to come back. It's a wastegate problem, but it's an electronically controlled wastegate. I can't adjust it. That's not the big issue I've been having. Let me see if I can replicate the issue that's been going on with this car more and more frequently, which leads me to believe it's something with the wiring harness. And then we're going to do a quick scan because I had big failures today. So I went to go take it out for a fun drive after old school reunion today. I went to take it for a drive just for fun, get out a little bit. And I came here, it wouldn't start. It misfired a bunch, got started, and then it shut itself off several times between here and the place I was going. And then all the interior power went out. It blew the fuse, the 30 amp fuse between the engine fuse box and the battery. So I replaced that, got it home. Was like, okay, maybe it was just a bad fuse. Got about 3 blocks away, same thing. So I limped it home. And let's see if I can get it to do it, because now that we're filming, it probably will not. Of course, as soon as you turn the camera on, everything works perfect. But I guarantee that if I took this thing out on any sort of drive right now, I would not make it very far at all. Let's do the old VCDS thing and see what's going on with the engine. Okay, look at me with technology and a full screen. Maybe. Even the computer I'm using to scan isn't working. Yeah. All right, fine. We'll just go through here. So we have a turbocharger boost control malfunction during cold start. Yes, I know that because I can't calibrate it. Accelerator position sensor, signal too low. Yep, that's probably what happens when the accelerator pedal stops responding. Intermittent, yep, that seems fine. That seems like that's consistent with what's happening. Ignition switch, run sharp. That's a Freudian slip. Nope. Ignition switch, short to positive. I don't know what's going on with that. Doesn't have the stock ignition switch in it. Fuel pump mechanical malfunction. I don't know. I can hear the fuel pump running. It should be fine. Fuel pump circuit, electrical malfunction. Fuel pressure too low during cold start. That was from me running out of fuel because my fuel gauge didn't calibrate correctly. Fuel rail system pressure too low. Yep, that makes sense. Fuel level too low. Huh, interesting. That also. Charge pressure control actuator, mechanical malfunction. That's great. And an oxygen sensor heating circuits, for bank one. Yep, bank one, sensor one, heating circuit, and bank one. So yeah, yep, same one. So a few errors from running out of fuel, and boost control issues, accelerator pedal issues. So I guess I'll just clear those for now. At least get the fuel system ones out of there. So what does that mean for the Rabbit? I don't know. I'm frustrated because I want to drive the car, but it's getting worse and worse, which means I probably need to pull the wiring harness out and completely redo it. I don't have the time. And every single company or person I've talked to that has done or is good with wiring harnesses has told me to go pound sand when I talk to them about this car. So I don't know. There's parts of me that just want to rip this engine out and throw it away. And, well, not throw it away, but like get rid of it, sell it. It's only got 3,000 miles on it because I'm tired of the headache and the delays that I've been having in making this as reliable as I'd hoped it would be. The other option is just to throw standalone on it, throw more money at it. So I don't know. I'd like to hear your thoughts on what you think I should do with this 07K 18T. I should have just done the 18T. I had a 18T in it. I'm an idiot. There's not a lot of truth in social media, but here we are. The truth is, I did this swap. I got it running, and now I can't figure out why it won't work the way I intended it to. So stay tuned for the next fail video, which will be coming out soon, and you'll figure out why, again, I have failed. All right, that's all from Throttle Grotto. Until next time, get out there and work on something.